Hi everyone, welcome to another music learning club video. In this video we're going to learn major modes. A mode is a type of scale. For example, modes are alternative scales that can be derived from a major scale but starting on a different scale note. There are 7 major modes and these are Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian and Locrian. Music that uses a major scale can be said to be in the Ionian mode. Let's get started with the first mode, which is Ionian. All the examples are given in C major. Ionian is the first mode. It is same as major scale. Listen to the Ionian now. I decided to choose this mode because I used primary chords from C major scale. They are C, F and G major triads. So I'm going to use any combination of all the notes from C Ionian mode only. And the chords are C major, G major over C and 2 bars of F major over C. Dorian is the second mode of the major scale. As you can see in C major, scale starts from D, which is second degree, and ends with D. You can use Dorian mode over minor 7 chords. Now I'm going to show you an example how to use Dorian mode. In this example, chords are D minor 7 and G dominant 7. All the example backing tracks in this video will be available in our channel if you would like to use them. Listen to the Dorian example now. Phrygian is the third mode in major scale and it starts from the third degree, which is E, and ends with E. You can choose the Phrygian mode to use if a minor chord goes semitone up to a major chord. In this example, I used E minor 7 and F major 7 sharp 11. Listen to the Phrygian mode example. Lydian is the fourth mode in major scale and it is one of the most brightest scale in modes. This scale is same as major scale but the fourth degree is sharpened. For example, F Lydian is same as F major scale except the fourth degree which is sharpened, and here we have B natural instead of B flat. If you look at the chord progression on the screen, the first bar is F major and second bar is G major over F. The reason I chose to play Lydian because there is B natural in G triad, so that's the reason I chose to play Lydian. Now I'm going to show you how to use this scale. Mixolydian is the fifth mode in major scale and it is one of the most useful scale in modes, such as Ionian and Dorian. You can use Mixolydian over dominant, dominant 7 and 11th chords. The chords are F over G and G dominant 7. The first bar F over G is implying G11, so I'm going to use G Mixolydian scale. Listen to the example. Aeolian is the sixth mode in major scale. Listen to the Aeolian now. Locrian scale is the seventh mode of the major scale. It is the darkest scale. You can use this scale over minor 7 flat 5 chords. In this example, I used F major over B and G major over B. Please check the modes and chords chart to understand better which mode you need to use with the chords. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.